Here's a complete YouTube story draft in a reusable writing block. Writing. They refused to pay the single dad who rebuilt their jet, then no one could start it without him. The private jet sat silently on the runway under a bright blue daytime sky while executives in expensive suits stared at blinking warning lights in disbelief. Millions of dollars worth of technology suddenly became useless because of one decision they thought nobody would ever question. The man they had ignored, disrespected, and refused to pay was walking away with his toolbox in one hand and his daughter's backpack in the other. Nobody expected that the entire aircraft would become impossible to operate without him. And by the time they realized their mistake, the single father they had treated as invisible had already chosen his own future. Before we continue, if you believe kindness and second chances still matter in this world, please take a moment to like this video, comment where you're watching from, share this story with someone who needs inspiration today, and subscribe to the channel Echoes the Stories. Your support helps these powerful stories reach more hearts around the world. Gideon Mercer was 38 years old and had spent most of his life rebuilding machines that other people had given up on. He lived in a small rented house on the edge of town with his 11-year-old daughter, Mara. Every morning before sunrise, he prepared her breakfast, packed her school lunch, tied her hair into a neat ponytail, and walked her to the school bus stop before heading to work. His life was a careful balance between being a loving father and one of the most talented aviation mechanics few people ever recognized. After losing his wife 7 years earlier to an illness, he had dedicated himself entirely to raising Mara while quietly building a reputation among independent aviation companies for solving impossible mechanical problems. One sunny morning, Gideon received a phone call from Vantage Aero Holdings, one of the largest luxury aviation companies in the region. Their newest private jet project had failed multiple inspections. Engineers had spent months trying to fix a series of interconnected electrical and propulsion issues that prevented the aircraft from operating safely. Every failed attempt was costing them hundreds of thousands of dollars daily. They had exhausted every option before reluctantly contacting Gideon. When he arrived at their enormous glass headquarters, several executives barely looked at him. His faded blue work shirt, worn boots, and old pickup truck seemed out of place among the polished marble floors and luxury cars parked outside. Some employees whispered quietly, assuming he was another temporary contractor who would eventually fail like everyone else. But Gideon remained calm. He carried his notebook and began carefully studying every detail of the aircraft. While others rushed to find shortcuts, he approached each problem with patience. He traced hidden wiring systems, recalibrated software connections, redesigned damaged fuel synchronization components, and rebuilt sections of the aircraft's internal management system entirely by hand. He spent 14 hours a day working under bright daylight, often skipping lunch to maximize progress. Every evening he rushed home before sunset to prepare dinner with Mara. Despite exhaustion, he never missed their daily routine. They sat together at their small kitchen table, shared stories about their day, and laughed over simple meals. Mara knew her father worked harder than anyone she had ever met. Weeks turned into months. Slowly, the impossible project began coming back to life. Engineers who once dismissed him now watched in amazement. Systems that had remained broken for over a year suddenly functioned perfectly. Test flights passed successfully. The private jet became safer and more efficient than originally designed. Throughout the project, Gideon documented every modification carefully. He built a custom integration sequence that allowed the aircraft systems to communicate seamlessly. It was a highly specialized process requiring exact calibration. Only someone who understood every adjustment could perform the startup sequence properly. When the project was finally complete, the executives gathered in a bright conference room to celebrate their upcoming profits. They praised each other for their leadership and vision. Gideon quietly waited for his payment paperwork. Instead, he received something unexpected. One executive named Roland Vexley decided that paying Gideon his agreed compensation was unnecessary. He argued that because Gideon was an independent contractor without a major corporate reputation, they could reduce his payment dramatically. He believed Gideon would accept whatever they offered because he needed the money. The amount they presented was barely a fraction of what they had promised. Gideon stared at the paper for several seconds. He did not raise his voice. He did not argue. He simply folded the document and placed it back on the table. He thought about Mara's school supplies, her future education, and the sacrifices they had both endured. He remembered the late nights, the missed sleep, and the months spent solving problems no one else could fix. Then he quietly gathered his notebook and toolbox. The executives dismissed him as though he no longer mattered. They assumed another employee could manage the final procedures. Under a clear daytime sky, Gideon walked across the runway carrying his toolbox in one hand and Mara's backpack in the other because he was heading directly to pick her up from school. No one stopped him. No one thanked him. No one realized what they had just done. The following morning, Vantage Aero Holdings prepared for a major demonstration flight involving investors from several countries. Reporters, clients, and business partners arrived expecting a flawless presentation. The jet looked perfect. The exterior gleamed in the sunlight. Everyone took their seats. An engineer pressed the startup sequence. Nothing happened. Another engineer tried. The system froze. Several specialists rushed to their stations. Again, nothing happened. Hours passed. Every attempt failed. The aircraft's integrated systems required precise synchronization that nobody understood completely. Gideon's custom sequence was secure and impossible to replicate without his documentation and expertise. Panic spread quickly. Millions of dollars were now at risk. Investors grew impatient. Some walked away. Executives who had confidently dismissed Gideon the previous day suddenly realized the enormous consequences of their actions. Roland attempted to contact him repeatedly. Gideon did not answer immediately. He was busy attending Mara's school science fair. Under bright afternoon sunlight, he stood proudly beside her project display while she explained her experiment to visitors. For once, he was not rushing to solve someone else's problems. His entire world was standing beside him. Hours later, he checked his phone and saw dozens of missed calls. He finally returned one call. Roland desperately pleaded for his help. Gideon listened quietly. Then he explained that respect was never optional and agreements mattered because people's lives depended on them. He reminded Roland that every hour he spent rebuilding their aircraft was an hour away from his daughter. Every sacrifice had value. Every promise carried responsibility. For the first time, Roland had nothing to say. The executives quickly organized an emergency meeting and agreed to pay Gideon everything he was owed, including compensation for delayed payments and additional damages. But something unexpected happened. Gideon declined. Not because he wanted revenge. Not because he wanted to humiliate them. He had simply realized his worth. During those months of rebuilding the jet, several aviation companies had quietly observed his work. One respected international firm had already offered him a position where he could lead an engineering division while maintaining flexible hours for his daughter. For the first time in years, he could build a future instead of merely surviving. He agreed to help Vantage Aero Holdings one final time under new terms. He arrived, completed the startup sequence, trained a team properly, and handed over detailed documentation. Then he walked away forever. Days later, the story spread throughout the aviation industry. People admired not only his talent but also his integrity. Companies began changing how they treated independent workers and contractors. Managers reconsidered how they valued people behind the scenes. Meanwhile, Gideon's life transformed completely. His new workplace respected his schedule. He never missed Mara's school events. He coached her science club on weekends. They moved into a brighter home with a small garden where they planted flowers together every spring. One afternoon, Mara asked why he had forgiven the company that treated him unfairly. Gideon smiled quietly. He understood that carrying bitterness only made burdens heavier. He wanted Mara to grow up believing strength did not come from anger. Real strength came from knowing your value and refusing to let others decide it for you. Years later, Mara would remember that lesson forever. Not because her father fixed a jet worth millions of dollars. Not because powerful executives begged for his help. But because he showed her that dignity could never be bought, stolen, or ignored. Before this story ends, if it touched your heart even a little, please like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who needs a reminder that every hardworking person deserves respect and fairness. Your support allows these meaningful stories to continue reaching people everywhere. Special request: comment the words, "Know your worth," if you believe every honest worker deserves to be treated with dignity and respect. As the sun set over their small garden one peaceful evening, Gideon watched Mara laughing while watering flowers she had planted herself. He realized that the greatest reward had never been the money, the recognition, or the expensive aircraft. It had always been the life they were building together. The world might celebrate billion-dollar companies and luxury machines, but sometimes the strongest person in the room is simply a single parent who refuses to give up. And in the end, that quiet courage becomes the one thing no amount of money can ever replace.